Today we perform the practical number 2, determine frequency, time period, peak value, RMS value of a sinusoidal AC waveform on a CRO. In this practical we have to determine first time period. So what is meant by time period? Okay, time period is the time taken in second by an alternating quantity to complete one cycle. It's called the time period. Okay, it is denoted by T and its unit is second. Second, we have to calculate frequency. Frequency means the number of cycle complete in 1 second. It's called frequency. It is denoted by F and its unit is hertz. Third, peak value. Peak value means the maximum value attained by an alternating quantity during one cycle. It's called the peak value. Okay, it is also called as the maximum value, amplitude or a crest value. Last one is to calculate in this practical is the RMS value. Okay, RMS value means the RMS value is equivalent value of current which produce same amount of heat as that value of DC current through same resistance for the same time. Okay, and this is the formula for calculating the RMS value. Vrms is equal to 0.707 V max. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of our practical. In this diagram we connect the function generator output to the CRO channel using the CRO probe. Okay, then we can see the what resource required to perform this practical. Okay, first is the CRO with probe and function generator. Okay, then we can see the observation part of this practical. Okay, in this practical we have to observe the value of time period, then peak value, then time per division and volt per division. Then we see the calculation part. With the help of observation value we can calculate these values, and in result we have to determine the value of time period, peak value, RMS value and the average value. Then we can see the actual procedure of this practical. First, connect the function generator output to the CRO channel during using CRO probe. Adjust the volt per division and time per division on CRO such that the waveform of current or voltage can be observed properly. Adjust the peak to peak value of voltage. Measure and note down the time period and peak value of the sine wave and then switch on the supply. Okay, then we can see the actual setup of this practical. This is the function generator which generate triangular wave, sine wave, square wave. Okay, this function button which change the function, and this frequency button will vary the frequency. Okay, then this is the CRO, that is means cathode ray oscilloscope. For measurement, let's understand the front panel of CRO. This is the dual channel CRO, okay, which consists of two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, this is the CRO screen. Okay, now different reading. Okay. Here we can read the time base and volt per division. Okay, then we connect this circuit as per the circuit diagram. Then we connect this circuit as per the circuit diagram. We connect the output of an function generator to the channel 1 and of an CRO. Okay, then switch on the supply. Okay, then power on. Okay, here we can see the volt per division and this is the time per division. Okay. Then this is the channel 1 and this is the channel 2. For controlling this channel we can use this knob, volts per division. Okay. For changing the amplitude, we can vary this knob. Here we can see, for changing the amplitude we can vary this knob. Okay. Then for changing the frequency we can use this knob, time per division. Okay. Vary this knob for changing the frequency. Okay. This is the Y shift for changing the vertical position of that sine wave, and this is the X shift. We can use this X shift for changing the horizontal position of that sine wave. Then what is the formula for calculating peak value? Okay, number of vertical division into reading on volt per division. And then what is the formula for calculating time period? Number of horizontal division completed in one cycle into reading on time per division. Measurement of peak value. CRO screen consists of 8 division, means 1 square of CRO screen. Then here, okay, then set this waveform to the central position. Here waveform covered 8 vertical division and reading on volt per division is 1 volt. Okay, hence the peak value 8 into 1, so peak value is the 8 volt. And here one complete cycle takes 11 horizontal division and the reading on time base is 0.5 millisecond. Hence the time period is 11 into 0.5 millisecond. So the time period is 5.5 millisecond. In this practical we determine the frequency, time period, peak value, RMS value of a sinusoidal AC waveform with the help of this CRO.